Welcome back to Design Guy. Ready to make your slides pop with animated effects in Canva? Click Create to start your project. Next, choose the Videos option from the menu. Select Mobile Video for your desired format. Then, navigate to the Templates section. In the search bar, type Stunning Video to find relevant templates you can use for your video project. Select the video you want to use by clicking on it. Make sure it is highlighted so you know it's been selected. Once you've confirmed your choice, you're ready to proceed to the next step, where you'll make any necessary adjustments to your video. Select this option to proceed with your task. Select each page you want to include, then click the Add button to add all pages to your project at once for convenience. Click the Load button on the toolbar to start importing your file. Wait for the loading process to complete. Once finished, check the preview area to make sure your file appears correctly and is ready for you to review or edit. You can edit the visual details here. Click on any section you want to change and start making adjustments. Click the keyboard icon to add a new keyboard shortcut. Add music by selecting your preferred track from the library and clicking Add. This creates a music layer in your project, forming a music element that sets a positive, upbeat tone for your video. Now, open the application. Increase the duration by dragging the edge of the clip further to extend its length. Make sure the audio track fits the entire duration of the video. Stretch or trim the audio as needed so it aligns perfectly from start to finish. Once the audio matches the video length, position the playhead at the beginning of the timeline. Click the play button to preview how the audio and video work together. Check if the timing feels right and listen for any issues. Adjust if necessary for smooth audio-video synchronization. You can enhance your project by adding elements like shapes, images, or icons. To do this, select the Elements tab from the left panel. Then browse or search for what you need. Click an element to add it to your design instantly. To change the background, select it and choose a different element from the options to customize your design further. Select the object you want to use, then choose the next item and add it to your selection. After that, include the final element. Once everything is selected, remove the previous background to complete your changes and clean up the workspace. Set the image as your background by right-clicking it. Then remove any unnecessary slides from your presentation to keep everything organized and clean. Click the play button to start the video. Watch as it begins playing, and check that both the audio and video are working as expected before moving on to the next step. Insert this piece through the opening, making sure it slides in completely. Hold it firmly in place before moving on to the next step. Once you're satisfied with your work, move to the top right corner of the screen. Click the Share button to open the sharing options. From this menu, select the Download option. Your project will process, and your final file will be saved directly to your device for easy access and use. You've learned how to make standout presentation videos with Canva animations. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.